But yo,
I know a lot of people who after a while they end up with separate bedrooms, and when they want to sleep together, they sleep together, and when they didn't, they didn't. They had their own damn room.
Sleep divorce is a thing.
I'm gonna tell you this here.
Because sometimes you can't go to sleep. They farting and they snoring and they doing all of that. Yeah, not tonight, Nick.
Now I know I snore because I got an app that I use to track my sleep. Right, but
currently I snore too. I woke myself up one night. I haven't always
I've done that in the
snored.
barber chair, but not at home in the bed. But I was dating somebody that snored, and when he would stay the night, his snore would wake me up. Like,
yes, I hate it.
You be like, nigga,
you gotta get you a machine. I can't do it. That's the